Eto na! Sino kaya kina Ariana Grande, Kelly Clarkson at Ed Sheeran ang may pinakasikat na Christmas song in the last 25 years? Alamin natin yan sa report na to. 5 days na lang, Pasko na. Kaya heto ang 5 most popular Christmas songs in the past 25 years ayon sa Billboard. Panglima,
So kiss me under the mistletoe, pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for December snow.
ang collab ni na Ed Sheeran at Elton John na Merry Christmas.
My God, you look beautiful right now. Merry Christmas.
Another Bop holiday song,
And I don't wanna miss a single thing. Don't wanna put an end to all this cheer.
ang Like It's Christmas ng Jonas Brothers.
You make every day feel like it's Christmas. Never wanna stop feeling like the first thing on the wish list. Right up at the top.
Pasok din ang vintage and classic song na It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas na version ni Michael Bublé.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store.
And of course,
Underneath the tree, right here, where you should be. Snow is falling as the carols sing.
Underneath the Tree ni Kelly Clarkson na on repeat kahit saang mall. Pumangalawa yan sa listahan ng Billboard.
Don't be the thing you do and holding me tight. You're all that I need. Underneath the tree, I just want to hold my own.
Iba pa rin kung nariyan ang Queen of Christmas na si Mariah Carey.
Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. You, baby.
Hindi siya pasok sa list dahil 30 years na ang iconic holiday song niya,
All I want for Christmas is you.
Mga kapatid, Jania Lipon po, laging maging updated sa latest sa entertainment and lifestyle para maging una sa balitaan. Bisitahin at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.